In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily add page numbers to your project in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I'll click on Custom Size and select this 8.5 by 11-inch document to open a fresh workspace. To add the page numbers, I'll head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Text. Down here in the menu, I'll find the Page Numbers option and click it to instantly add numbers to my layout. I can use the floating toolbar on the left to customize how they look. I'll open the Format dropdown and choose the first option for a clean, number-only style. Next, I'll click Apply Properties to all pages to make sure the numbering is consistent throughout. Now, as I click Add Page, you'll see that Canva automatically assigns the next number in sequence at the bottom of every new page I create. If I want to change the style later, I can just select a page number, click Edit in the top menu, and switch the format, for example, to page number of total pages, and then apply that change to the entire document. Now, as I add even more pages, every single one is perfectly numbered and easy to track. That's all there is to it. Your document is now perfectly organized and professional.